Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you a fun project that you can use with some of your friends, or you can use it with kids. And what you can do is you can take this index card, just a regular 4x6 index card, and you can tell people, I bet I can step through this index card. And they'll look at you and they'll think, I don't think you can do that. And you'll show them exactly how you can do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now in this video. Here we go.
Start with an ordinary 4x6 index card and fold it in half long ways. Go ahead and fold it and set it down on the table so you're looking only at one half of the card. Once you do that, take a pencil and make a mark along the left margin, about 3/8 of an inch inside from the edge, and leave a space at the top and the bottom so you now have a left margin. Make an identical right margin. Then you make a top margin pencil mark and a bottom margin pencil mark, so you now have a pencil rectangle on the folded index card.
Or second to first.
Yep. And then you turn it over and you do it again, so that what you have now, it looks like a pencil mark frame on your card. Do you have that?
Uh-huh.
Next thing, get another type of marker so you can see the difference, and at the left margin make a mark from the folded edge up about 1/2 inch.
Okay, I need to interrupt this video right here to let you know that whenever you're doing a procedure and you do it several times, you inevitably find better ways to do it. And that's exactly what I've done right here. Now, initially you will remember that I said on this card you needed to make pencil marks so that the margin was a frame inside the folded card, and then later on you took your pencil or a pen and you made marks like this. Well, the way to improve that I have found since I started this was you need to use a felt tip marker such as this. This is a Sharpie, and make much bolder lines as you make these marks on there. That way, when you cut on these lines, it's much easier to see the line and to guide your scissors. And then later on, when you turn the card over and you cut in between the lines, you can see the lines much better to cut in between them. And that's what the improvement factor is in this particular marking technique.
Make an identical mark on the right margin, up about 1/2 inch from the folded edge, and then just eyeball it and put another mark about halfway between the two. Once that's there, you want to put 2 marks in between the left margin and the center, estimating about 1/3, and then put 2 more marks between the center and the right margin, so you have another 1/3 division. Once you have these marks, go ahead and put more marks halfway between each one of these other marks, so you now have index marks in between all the first marks you made. Now it's time to start making some cuts. Make a cut from the folded edge along the left margin, all the way from the folded edge up to the top margin, but don't go past that.
We're going to cut that first mark from the folded edge up to the margin. See the pencil margin? Don't cut past that pencil margin, because we need to leave it together.
And then do it again on the right margin, from the folded edge all the way up to the top margin. Now you want to open up the index card and make a cut right along the crease from the left margin cut to the right margin cut, and you will have pretty much an H cut so far. Then fold the card back to where it was. In addition to the 2 cuts you have here, you want to make additional cuts on every index mark that you have made from the folded edge all the way up to the top margin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
once you have finished those cuts, you go to the other side of the folded index card and you cut from the open edge down to the bottom margin so that you have cuts in between all of the other cuts that you have made, but not outside the margins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
And that's all you have to do. The only thing left to do now is to open up the index card and step through it.
Whoa.
Look at that.
I can step through it.
Well, there you have it. How to be able to step through an index card. How to take a plain index card and turn it from this into this. Isn't that awesome? And a fun thing to do, and kids as young as 6, 7 years old can actually do it as long as you trust them with scissors. And of course, the first few times they do it, they're going to make the wrong cuts and they're going to cut through where they shouldn't cut, and their loop won't be a loop, but it'll be just a big long string. But they'll learn that they got to be more careful with what they're doing, and practice makes perfect. And this is a wonderful thing for kids to do, and adult kids as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me that thumbs up to let me and the YouTube robots know that you thought it was a good video and that YouTube should recommend it to other people, and I will be encouraged to make more videos. Share this video with anybody that you think might get some good out of it, and leave me a comment to let me know what you're going to do with this new knowledge that you have, or if you already knew it. And as always, if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate every single person who is a subscriber. And if you're not, you know what to do. Yeah, go ahead and click that subscribe button and then the bell icon so YouTube will let you know by email whenever I post another great video right here on the David's Tutorials and Vlog channel. Meantime, take care everybody. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.